If you're new to cocktails or you've just become enlightened, then it's about time that you probably want to have that discussion about balance. The golden ratio, 2-1-1. I'm Derek Schomer, owner of AwesomeDrinks.com and the owner of this channel. You can check out more of this series at AwesomeDrinks.com/3 or just hang around the channel, hit the subscribe button. So this ratio is simple. No, I'll show you how simple it is. Get yourself a glass and ice. I need to get ice. Ice. Tequila. Agave nectar. A lime. I keep limes in my pocket so they stay warm. They're easier to juice when they're warm. Plus, I mean, what I just did was pretty funny. 1 ounce. Just do 1 ounce of agave nectar. 2 ounces. That's friggin' 2-1-1 right there. I'm gonna add ice. Now you're probably going, Derek, you didn't add like orange liqueur and stuff. It doesn't matter, it's 2-1-1, it's simple. Drink it. That's too sweet. We're gonna explain why in a minute. So if you recognize this pattern of behavior, you already know how to make a ton of cocktails and you don't even know it. 2 ounces of rum, 1 ounce of lime, 1 ounce of sugar. It's a daiquiri. 2 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of lime, 1 ounce of sugar. It's a gimlet. 2 ounces of whiskey, 1 ounce of lemon, 1 ounce of sugar. It's a whiskey sour. Add some mint leaves. Add 2 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of lemon, 1 ounce of sugar. Southside. Swab out the gin for rum, add a little club soda, it's a mojito. Now, use this math, 2-1-1, it's a ratio, and divide it in half. So now, it's 1 ounce, 1/2, 1/2. So let's do an ounce of London dry gin, a 1/2 ounce of lemon, and a 1/2 ounce of sugar. Put that into a little mixing thing. Pour it on top of champagne. You can now call that a French 75. You might find things a bit too sweet. This margarita at a restaurant like Texas Roadhouse, some southern places, Buffalo Wild Wings, I don't know, it's gonna be awesome. People are gonna think you're a king or queen. The simple solution to that is either a 2-1-3/4 or a 2-3/4-3/4. That way the 2-3/4, the sweet and the sour, balance each other out and it's gonna be more potent. But why is this too sweet? Because not all sugar is created equal. This is agave nectar. This makes the 2-1-1 game a little nuanced. You see, the problem with agave nectar, it's 1.5 times sweeter than sugar. So, your 2-1-1 is now bumped up in the wrong direction. To bring it back down, you're gonna probably want to 3/4 that out. And maple syrup is 3 times sweeter. So if you're making a whiskey sour and you want to create something for the fall and you want to use maple syrup, you don't want a 2-1-1. You're going to want a 2-1, 1/2, or maybe a 2-1, 1/4. That's it. Down in the corner, bartender, home bartender starter kit from AwesomeDrinks.com. You can go to AwesomeDrinks.com/3 to watch the full series that is ever growing or teach you how to drink.